The Addison Bath Collection, where reliability and sensation take a romantic turn. Addison includes showers, lavatory faucets, and a range of accessories, all available in your choice of chrome, brilliant stainless, aged pewter, or Venetian bronze, down to the smallest detail, for complete coordination of your personal bath sanctuary. With H2O kinetic technology, Addison showerheads don't just spray, they immerse, massage, and invigorate you by blanketing your body in water. It's the size of the droplets and the drenching coverage that make the experience feel so rejuvenating. The Addison collection includes 2 rain can shower heads with H2O kinetic technology, 6 inches and 8 inches in diameter, for either monitor pressure balanced or TempeSure thermostatic control, allowing separate volume and temperature control. The Addison Bath Collection. Immerse yourself in the romance of water. Another way Delta is more than just a faucet. See what Delta can do.